Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Primavera P6. First, ensure you have the Primavera P6 software installed on your system. Next, you'll need to configure your database connection. This involves specifying the database type, server name, and login credentials. You can either create a new database for your projects or connect to an existing one, depending on your organizational needs. This foundational step is crucial for all subsequent project management activities within P6. After the initial setup, focus on user and security configuration. You'll need to establish new user accounts for everyone who will access the system. Assign specific security profiles to each user, which dictate their permissions. It's important to define both global and project-level security settings to ensure data integrity. Granting appropriate access, rights to different user roles, prevents unauthorized modifications, and maintains control over your project data. Now, let's move to setting up your enterprise data. Begin by establishing the Enterprise Project Structure, or EPS, which organizes all your projects. Next, define your organizational breakdown structures, or OBS, to represent your company's hierarchy. It's also essential to configure project calendars, activity codes, and resource pools. These elements are fundamental for accurate project planning, scheduling, and resource allocation across your entire organization. Finally, you're ready to create your first project within the established EPS. Define all project-specific settings, including default calendars, activity codes, and resource assignments. This ensures consistency and accuracy from the start. Remember, a well-structured setup saves significant time and effort later on. Also, if you're looking to keep your workspace fresh, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. A clean environment helps maintain focus and productivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.